This is what happens when a masterpiece is left to die. Just look at it, rusting away, forgotten, a rolling piece of art just parked and left for dead. But the thing about legends is, they don't really die, they just wait. So what if you could take this forgotten classic and give it a shocking futuristic soul? Well, the big news is out. Volkswagen is officially bringing back the Karmann Ghia for 2026. But we couldn't wait. This is the story of how we took a forgotten car and built our own vision of the future. The original Karmann Ghia was pure style, elegant, clean lines, a true head-turner from the 1950s. Now Volkswagen is bringing it back for 2026, blending classic shape with next-gen tech. We couldn't wait, so we set out to build our own vision, honoring the spirit of the original while channeling the vibe of the new model. Our goal, a full teardown, a modern electric heart, and a tech-focused interior. This isn't just a restoration, it's a total reimagination. Every great build starts by tearing it all down. We found hidden rust, seized bolts, and wiring disasters. Classic car headaches. Getting those curves perfect for modern parts took old-school skill and new-school precision. The biggest challenge? Weaving 21st century tech into a 50-year-old soul. The old engine is gone. In its place, a modern, silent, all-electric powertrain with a Hyper 9 motor and Tesla batteries. All-wheel drive means over 300 horsepower, a universe away from the original 50. For that sleek, futuristic look, we smoothed the body, added flush door handles, and custom LED lights. The iconic round headlights, now modern LEDs, still true to the original. Paint was a big debate, vintage green or metallic gray. Drop a comment and let us know. And hit subscribe so you don't miss the road test. Inside we started over. The bare-bones interior is now retro-style meets high-tech minimalism, inspired by the 2026 design. Supportive bucket seats, vegan leather, and retro stitching. Comfort and tech, with a nod to the past. From a rusted-out shell to a retro-futuristic masterpiece, every curve brought back to life, all the new tech tucked away. The stance is both classic and aggressive, but the real magic is driving it. Instant torque, smooth and shockingly quick. The low center of gravity and new suspension make the handling tight and confident. We started with a forgotten classic and a simple what if. Now it's a bridge between generations, a tribute to timeless style. Thanks for watching our Karmann Ghia transformation. Let us know what you think and subscribe for more.